Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to align a shape to the left in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to align a shape to the left. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the Shapes drop down menu and we can see here many shapes. Now I select the cube shape, then draw this. Now we want to align this shape to the left. Go to the home menu, then click draw text box, then draw a text box over the page. Then select the text box and go to the shape format menu, then click send backward option and choose send to back. Then press shift on our keyboard and select the shapes. Now we can see we select multiple objects, then click the alignment option, then choose align left. Then again click this option, then choose top. Now we can see we align shape to the left very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.